conventional rumba. So we start with the basic rumba walk backward. Then we have a replace or rocking action. Now from here we have a rumba walk forward here when two partners meet. Here we follow with the hip twist action. Then we have one rumba walk for the ladies, one forward walk turning, and from here, after meeting with each other, we're opening into the beautiful fan position. What points we got for you here? So now one point is after this walk, when you do this slow walk, try not to move that foot with you. Try to keep this foot where it is and just rotate your body. So keep your foot in the same spot. So this is the tip number one. And 4, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so tip number 2, it's we want to change as much as possible distance and get closer to each other here before we do hip twist. And here, tip number 3, we're gonna change that hip twist, and instead of doing traditional, we're gonna overturn it there. We're gonna do over-crossed hip twist to make it more exciting. So let's do it again. And forward,